Your microwave has a secret silent mode nobody told you about. If you hate that obnoxious beep giving away your midnight snack runs, you can actually turn it off. No tools, no hacks, just your fingertips. Here's the trick. Before you start cooking, press and hold the 2 or 0 button on your microwave's keypad for a few seconds. On many models, this activates a hidden mute function, silencing all those beeps and end-of-cycle alarms. Suddenly, you're free to reheat leftovers or make popcorn without alerting the whole house. No more tiptoeing or waiting for everyone to fall asleep just for a hot meal. This isn't in the manual, and most people never discover it by accident. Try it next time and enjoy your food in total stealth mode.